Welcome to episode 151 of Build Your House Yourself University by BYHYU. I'm your host and fellow student, Michelle Nelson, and together we'll learn the basics of home design and construction and demystify the building process so we can make smart decisions and build quality dream homes with or without a general contractor. Last week, we talked about whether buying an extended home warranty is a smart idea. Those home warranties are offered by third-party companies that will help pay for repairing and, if necessary, replacing covered appliances and home components, such as plumbing. Extended home warranties are usually somewhat comprehensive policies that cover more than just one appliance or home component. But this week, we'll discuss the wisdom of getting extended appliance warranties on specific appliances, including HVAC systems. Most retailers and dealers offer extended warranties, also called service plans, at the time of purchase, and some manufacturers will let you buy extended warranties within the first year of the date of purchase, as long as the regular manufacturer's warranty hasn't expired. Let's talk about if and when those extended appliance warranties are a good investment. But before we get to that, a shout out goes to ReefHX, a listener who left us our very first review on the Podbean app. Thanks for your kind words and for being the very first person to let folks know on Podbean that you think the show is valuable. The last sentence of that review says, quote, "If you're willing to invest and you're a seeker of knowledge, this podcast will be your best friend." End quote. What a great compliment. I appreciate you, ReefHX, for taking the time to do that. All right, let's get into the show. Many articles I read about buying extended appliance warranties express the opinions of home inspectors, appliance store owners, and appliance repairmen. What they said about whether they thought extended appliance warranties should be purchased by homeowners was, it depends. Most reputable appliance manufacturers offer regular warranties that last from 3 months to up to 1 year. After that, the manufacturer claims no responsibility if the unit breaks unless the customer has purchased an extended warranty. Owner of Mr. Rogers Appliance Repair in Tampa, Florida, thinks extended warranties are a good idea for most large appliances sold today. He says, quote, "If you're spending $800, $1,500, or $3,000 for an appliance, then it's definitely worth getting one." End quote. Extended warranties vary in price and length of contract. For example, some contracts may only expand the warranty time by as little as an extra year, while other contracts extend the warranty by up to 5 years or more. Now, don't forget what we learned last week, that certain credit card companies will automatically extend the manufacturer's warranty by up to a year if you purchase your appliances with their credit card. And Citi credit cards will extend the manufacturer's warranty by 24 months. So if you're purchasing appliances or fixtures with those credit cards, paying for a short 1-year extended appliance warranty doesn't make much sense. You're already getting that extra year warranty with your credit card company. Many appliance professionals say that 20 years ago, they would never recommend an extended warranty for large appliances. But now, in general, appliances are not built like they used to be. And today, many appliances are built for energy efficiency and cost savings instead of durability, so they break more easily. And many residential appliances are computerized and professional grade, making replacement parts more expensive. For example, a repair call on some newer refrigerators can range from $200 to $400. So an extended warranty may pay for itself if you need just one repair call. But sometimes extended appliance warranties are clearly not worth the extra cost. One home inspector in Cleveland, Ohio, said he doesn't think extended warranties are worthwhile unless you don't plan on getting regular maintenance on your appliances. And if you're buying a washing machine for $350, it's not worth spending $200 on an extended warranty. A good general rule of thumb that I read is that if an item costs $800 or more, at least consider buying an extended warranty. Yale Appliances, a family-owned appliance retailer with its own service and repair department that's been in business since 1923, has the following recommendations. They say the following appliances don't need extended warranties because they don't often need repairs. Garbage disposals, microwaves, even microwave drawers, and range hoods, because they're all pretty simple appliances and they're generally fairly reliable. They also say dishwashers in general are very reliable and don't have expensive parts, so they suggest skipping the extended warranty. Yale Appliances is on the fence about whether you should get extended warranties on electric and gas ranges. They say ranges are generally reliable, so you may be able to forego the extended warranty. The only caveat here is that ranges are pretty expensive, especially professional style ranges. And for that reason, an extended warranty might be a good idea. According to Yale, you should strongly consider getting an extended warranty on all the following appliances: washers, refrigerators, and ice makers. Washers have very expensive parts and are pricey to repair. Extra sturdy old school washers didn't break down often, but it's not uncommon for newer, more energy efficient models to need repairs sometime during their life cycle. Modern refrigerators have had to conform to tough energy standards. Unfortunately, appliances often become less durable and reliable as they become more energy efficient. According to Yale Appliances, the most reliable refrigerator with a dispenser requires service at an astounding 19% of the time within the first year. Then there are ice makers. Separate ice makers, Yale says, almost always require service within 5 years. If you don't get your ice maker cleaned on a regular basis, and who does, scaling from minerals in the water can cause the ice maker to malfunction. This is just one of several issues that ice makers have. If you decide you want an extended appliance warranty, most appliance professionals say that you should never buy an extended warranty if it's not offered by either the manufacturer or by an appliance dealer that has its own affiliated service and repair department. Many retail dealers that specialize in home appliances will have their own repair department. The benefit of getting an extended warranty through the manufacturer or an appliance dealer with a repair department is that they're in the business of fixing appliances and improving their brand's reputation. Never buy a third-party extended appliance warranty, meaning a warranty with service calls and repairs not controlled by the manufacturer or the appliance dealer. You'll often experience a ton of hassle and inconvenience. These third-party companies are just middlemen call centers without the actual ability to do repairs. They usually subcontract to low-rate repairmen who may or may not have experience with your appliance brand. These third-party middlemen companies are not invested in your ultimate satisfaction. If for some crazy reason you are still tempted to buy a third-party extended warranty, research the company on the Better Business Bureau website. All right, we've learned that many appliance dealers, inspectors, and repairmen say you should consider extended warranties for certain expensive appliances that are more likely to need repairs. But what does Consumer Reports say about extended warranties, aka service plans? Well, they say chances are what you spend will be money down the drain. And that's a quote. I told you last week that Consumer Reports is in general not a fan of extended warranties, not for appliances or cars or computers or most anything. They think you should place the money that you would spend on an extended warranty in the bank and let it accrue interest instead. Then, if an appliance breaks, you'll have the money to repair or replace it. They also recommend that you should first try other options for repairs or replacements, such as contacting the manufacturer, the retailer, or your credit card company instead of getting an extended warranty. Consumer Reports says that retailers may push hard to get you to buy extended warranties because these warranties are profitable for retailers. Some stores keep 50% or more of what they charge for these contracts, and most salespeople often get a 10% commission. A Consumer Reports survey found that 75% of those purchasing major appliances were offered an extended warranty or service plan at checkout. 20% of major appliance shoppers bought that extra coverage. The median price paid for the plan was $126 for a major appliance. Here are some other reasons Consumer Reports is against buying extended warranties or service plans. Number 1, many major problems that will occur will happen several years after you purchase the appliance when the extended warranty is expired. Number 2, buying an extended warranty may send brands a message that limiting their regular manufacturer's warranty and increase the sales of their extended warranty, tempting them to shorten their regular manufacturer's warranty. Consumer Reports argues that we shouldn't have to pay extra to get manufacturers or retailers to stand behind their products. Number 3, some repairs aren't costly. According to a recent Consumer Reports survey, when appliances do break, the repairs on average cost not much more than the average cost of a service plan. Number 4, manufacturers sometimes cover out-of-warranty items with goodwill programs. Companies sometimes quietly offer free or discounted out-of-warranty repairs or replacements for customers who complain. Squeaky wheels. This is especially true if a product breaks down in an unreasonably short time, or if there is a known problem affecting many customers. So contact the manufacturer and ask for help. If necessary, complain all the way to the corporate office and/or on the company's social media channels. Number 5, your credit card may have you covered. We've already learned that many credit cards automatically extend the manufacturer's warranty on products purchased entirely with that card, and that coverage is free. Number 6, you may have other state warranty rights. As a result of state laws, most products automatically come with an unwritten, implied warranty of merchantability. That means that items must function as a person reasonably would expect, be free of substantial defects, and last a reasonable amount of time. If a product doesn't meet those requirements, you may have the right to pursue the retailer and/or manufacturer legally. An exception is allowed in some states for as-is items. So avoid as-is items to ensure you're protected by your state's warranty rights. Number 7, the plan may let you down. Service plans typically have many fine print exceptions that a provider can use to deny your claim. In another Consumer Reports survey of consumers who bought an extended warranty, 61% were highly satisfied with their repairs, but 19% were dissatisfied. Those who were dissatisfied said that repairs took an unreasonable amount of time, or it took more than one try to get it fixed right. And number 8, you can't afford to protect everything. Even if the plans were worth the money, it's simply not cost effective to buy a plan to cover every major purchase. To give you a balanced commentary, I think it's only fair that I tell you that many homeowners commenting on the Consumer Reports site said they disagree with Consumer Reports' stance that most extended warranties are a waste of money. Many homeowners said that they were very happy with their extended warranties and that the extra coverage has saved them lots of money and hassle. So, what can we do to at least limit the number of extended appliance warranties we buy? Well, first and foremost, we should buy reliable appliances. The more reliable the product, the less likely it will be that you'll have to fix or replace it prematurely. Who cares about a 5 or 10-year extended warranty if you have the inconvenience of having to call and schedule repairs every month? It's better to choose quality appliances above extended warranties. Research independent online reviews for appliance dependability. And we should choose a retailer with a fair return policy. Some retailers, especially online retailers, say you have to deal with the manufacturer if you run into problems or defects. Those are the retailers you want to avoid. A quick word about extended warranties on HVAC units, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning units. If you buy a quality system from a reputable manufacturer, it will come with a good warranty for no extra cost. Most heating and air conditioning manufacturers cover the AC compressor and parts on high-quality equipment for a generous 10 years and labor up to 2 years. Your installer might also offer you an extended warranty that will add 5 to 10 years to parts and labor. You can buy that extended warranty, but with quality units and regular maintenance, you're unlikely to need very many repairs. Small problems can be fixed early when discovered during regular maintenance. Quality HVAC units will unlikely need major repairs during the term of the extended warranty. Plus, if your AC breaks after the 10-year manufacturer's warranty that you automatically get with no extra charge, you might not even want to repair the unit. It could be more cost-effective to buy a new unit that's more energy efficient and with newer features. So even though HVAC units are fairly expensive, you can probably skip the extended warranty. Besides, the out-of-pocket cost for the few repairs most reliable brands might need is typically less than what you'd pay for an extended warranty. Finally, before we get to our quiz, here are some things to be cautious of that could void an appliance or HVAC manufacturer's warranty. Number 1, not hiring a certified or approved contractor to install a unit or make repairs. Number 2, not registering the unit or appliance and the warranty with the manufacturer and the required amount of time after purchase. Number 3, not using approved replacement parts. Number 4, failing to schedule required professional maintenance. And number 5, not keeping purchase receipts or service and maintenance receipts and related paperwork. Okay, ready for a couple of quiz questions? Question number 1, true or false? Since it's not realistic to buy extended warranties or service plans for all our appliances, we should strongly consider extended warranties for all appliances or systems that cost $800 or more. That is true. It doesn't make much sense to buy a $200 extended warranty for a $375 appliance. But the more expensive the appliance, usually the more worthwhile an extended warranty, depending on the appliance. Which brings me to the next question. Number 2, on which of the following appliances does Yale Appliances say you should forego an extended warranty because the appliances are pretty reliable and not too expensive to repair? A, microwaves. B, range hoods. C, dishwashers. D, garbage disposals. E, all of the above. On which of those appliances is it okay to forego extended warranties? The answer is E, all of the above. The appliances for which Yale's recommends extended warranties are refrigerators, separate ice makers, and washing machines. They're on the fence about gas and electric ranges, but the more expensive the range, the more you should consider an extended warranty. The bottom line with this, as with most things, is that you have to do what makes financial sense and gives you peace of mind. It's probably not the best idea to buy extended warranties on all your major appliances, but if you feel better about covering a few appliances with an extended warranty, go for it. Well, that's all I have for you this week. I hope you learned as much as I did, and I hope you'll join me again next week for another episode of Build Your House Yourself University. BYHYU. Please remember that the purpose of this podcast is simply to educate and inform. It's not a substitute for professional advice. The information that you hear is based only on the opinions, research, and experiences of my guests and myself. That information might be incomplete, it's subject to change, and it may not apply to your project. In addition, building codes and requirements vary from region to region, so always consult a professional about specific recommendations for your home.